Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying system readiness. Make sure your Chromebook is on Chrome OS 110 or later, signed into your Google account, and has about 10 GB free. Once done, decide Play Store versus APK sideloading. If you use Play Store, open it and search Edgy Pro. If sideloading, enable Linux Beta and transfer the app into your Linux files. Follow prompts to allow app installs from known sources, because package access is the key bridge to run Edgy Pro. You now perform the core setup. Install Edgy Pro either directly from Play Store or by using a DB install inside the Linux container. Once installed, open the app and grant microphone, camera, and file permissions so features work. This avoids silent failures. Next, go to the app's performance and display settings. Set performance mode to match your Chromebook's CPU, enable hardware acceleration if offered, and tweak display scaling so the UI fits without clipping. These steps optimize stability and responsiveness. You finish by restarting the app and running a 5 to 10 minute test of core features, audio, video, file import, to confirm everything behaves. If you hit crashes, clear the app cache first, then toggle hardware acceleration. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the APK or Play Store version. Make sure to collect logs from the Linux terminal or use the Play Store report tool before contacting support, because logs explain why a crash happens and speed up the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.